Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Sumi Sukanya Datta, and in this special broadcast, I will tell you about fat-busting blockbuster drug Wegovy and its launch in India. Danish pharma giant Novo Nordisk has announced the launch of its top-selling obesity drug Wegovy in India. This comes months after the launch of another obesity smash hit drug Mounjaro in the country by US-based pharma giant Eli Lilly and Company. Wegovy has semaglutide as an active pharmaceutical ingredient or API and has to be administered weekly. It is the only drug in India to have received regulatory approval for reduction in risk of major adverse cardiovascular events in addition to long-term chronic weight management. Semaglutide helps regulate blood sugar levels and works by binding to receptors of the gut hormone glucagon-like peptide or GLP-1. It contains a compound known as GLP-1 receptor agonist, which mimics the naturally occurring gut hormone known to send signals of a full appetite to the brain. Possibly, in a bid to counter the first mover's advantage that its competitor Mounjaro had, Wegovy has been strategically launched in an innovative, easy-to-use pre-filled pen. These pens are called Flex Touch devices. Novo Nordisk India Managing Director Vikrant Shrotriya said that the smart device will enable the users to self-administer the drug. The drug is going to be available pan-India in 5 dosage strengths: 0.25 mg, 0.5 mg, 1 mg, 1.7 mg and 2.4 mg. While the monthly cost of the first 3 dosage strengths will be Rs 17,345, the last 2 dosage strengths will cost Rs 24,280 and Rs 26,050 respectively. This means that the per dose cost of the initial 3 dosage strengths is going to be Rs 4,336. Shrotriya said that obesity is not just a personal health concern, it is a chronic disease and a national epidemic that India can't afford to ignore. As per statistics by marketing research firm PharmaTrack for the month of June, Mounjaro had clocked Rs 24 crore so far since its launch in the country on March 20. This drug, which has tirzepatide as its API, has been available in India only in vials in the dosage strength of 2.5 mg and 5 mg. While the monthly cost of 2.5 mg Mounjaro comes out to be Rs 14,000, it is Rs 17,500 in case of the higher dosage strength. On a question on whether Mounjaro beating Wegovy in its India launch could be a disadvantage, Shrotriya said the company welcomes the competition. This, he said, was mainly because there is a huge gap in obesity care in the country. The largest of its kind survey by the Indian Council of Medical Research and Madras Diabetes Research Foundation in 2023 said that 254 million Indians, or 28.6% of the population, had generalized obesity. Also, India has the 3rd highest number of people living with overweight and obesity, which is associated with over 200 diseases. India's anti-obesity drug market, which is currently valued at Rs 3,000 to 3,500 crore, is projected to grow nearly 8-fold to Rs 25,000 crore by 2030. Experts say that understanding around obesity has grown multifold over the years, and it is now seen not only as a cosmetic but a health condition. The tools available to manage this condition, however, have been limited. Novo Nordisk says that Wegovy delivers its full therapeutic strengths of semaglutide for complete obesity and weight management. Low-dose semaglutide under the brand name Rybelsus in the form of oral pills has been available in India since January 2022. Apart from Wegovy and Rybelsus, semaglutide is also available under the brand name Ozempic in several countries. Rybelsus and Ozempic are indicated for those with type 2 diabetes. Experts say that typically weight loss drugs like Wegovy and Mounjaro can be indicated for people with BMI of 30 and above in the absence of other comorbidities. However, in people with other pre-existing conditions, either of the drugs can be initiated at BMI of 27 and above, in conjunction with diet, lifestyle changes, and under expert supervision. This is all we have in this episode. Thank you for watching.